Hello everyone, welcome to Sowmya tutorials. Today, this lecture series on the information and communication technology is designed to help you succeed in UGC NET, KSET, KPSC and the KEA examinations. We will cover essential concepts and problem solving techniques. Then go to the first question that are related to input-output devices and data transfer rates. So this is the match the following questions. The list 1 contains the I/O devices and list 2 contain a data transfer rate. A is a disk, B mouse, C laser printer and D is a keyboard. So in the list 2, the one is a 50 bits per second, second one 1 megabits per second, third 120 megabits per second, fourth is 100 megabits per second. So this is a solution for the question. Here is the correct matching of the I/O devices and their corresponding data transfer rates. The disk, that the data transfer rate is 100 megabits per second. The mouse, the 120 megabits per second is the data transfer rate. The laser printer data transfer rate is 1 megabit per second. The keyboard data transfer rate is 50 megabits per second. So therefore, option D is the correct answer. So that option 4, this is a correct answer. Then the next question. This question is related to open source content management system. Then what is content management system? It is a software that helps user to create, manage and publish digital content, especially for the websites. It provides a user-friendly interfaces for managing website content without needing in-depth technical knowledge. Some key features and benefits of the content management systems are content creation and editing, content organization and management, publishing and distribution, collaborations, customization and extensibility, cost-effectiveness, search engine optimization, centralized content storage. So this question is that the MoveKit platform uses Dash, an open source content management system. So options are Drupal, Joomla, Moodle, Sakai. Think carefully which is the correct answer. So this is a detailed explanation here. Drupal is a content management system for building and maintaining the websites. So this is an open source software. Joomla is a content management system which is mainly used for publishing the web content. Moodle is a learning platform or the course management system software. Sakai is also an open source learning management system. This is not content management system. This is a learning management system. So all of these options, the correct answer is the option A, Drupal. The Drupal is a open source content management system software. Next question is ASCII code character related question. ASCII means what? American Standard Code for Information and Interchange. ASCII is a character encoding standard that uses 7-bit or 8-bit codes to represent text and other characters. Usually it defines the 128 character, that means 2 to the power of 7, which is equal to 128 characters including letters, numbers, punctuation and control accessing codes. So with advanced technology nowadays, ASCII is an 8-bit code. It is possible to represent the 2 to the power of 8, which means that the 256 possible representation of the characters, so that either the options 128, 256, 512 and 64. The option 2, that is 256, is a right answer because the 2 to the power of 8, which is equal to the 256. This is a correct answer. The next question, which is related to the file transfer protocol. So this is a question, which of the following statements regarding file transfer protocols are correct? The number of points which are: it is used to access the World Wide Web, it is used to download the data from the file servers. So option C is it is used for very small files. The option D is files are transferred from one devices to another devices. So this is 1 for A and 2 for B, 3 for C and 4 for B. So choose the correct answer, that is, this is the detailed explanations about the file transfer protocol. The FTP is commonly used to transfer the files from the one computer to another computer using the internet. It also sometimes to use to download the new apps via the web browsers. Therefore, the correct option is that the option D, that is option number 4, B and D. So B point is that it is used to download the data from the file server, and the D option is that files are transferred from one devices to another devices. Both are the statements which are regarding the file transfer protocol. These two are the correct statements. Thank you.